Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to be going over long-term stocks that I'm going to be buying over the next 90 days. So if you guys like videos like this, please make sure to hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button. I thought about this for a long time and I've actually never in the history of this channel went over any long-term stocks. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys about 10 stocks that I'll be looking into for long-term holds and long-term ads. So let me know if you guys like this concept. I know it's been weird because I literally only talk about penny stocks. So just to change things up, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I'm looking for long term. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so first of all, I just want to talk about SPY right now because we're at 610.29. What does this mean? Well, since we're down 0.5% in the market today, that means it's time to go shopping. I know a lot of people don't like the days where we're treading downward after having an upwards movement for about a week. Once you get these red days, these days can really go ahead and alarm you, right? You can go ahead and look at this and say, ooh, why did I just take a paper cut on this stock? When it's sunshine and rainbows and suddenly the rain comes in, you're not used to it at all. And that's totally normal, guys. So we have to go ahead and embrace these red days to go ahead and find out what's the most optimal stock to go ahead and add on, or what can I go ahead and look into adding long term. Because guys, stocks, as much as they go green, they also go red. So in this video, I'm going to be covering 10 stocks that I'm looking over long term. Also, if you guys want my buy alerts, go ahead and click the first link in the description. It'll take you right to the Discord. Okay guys, jumping ship, we got ticker symbol PLTR. This is Palantir Technologies. And you guys might be wondering, why am I talking about Palantir Technologies if in the past 3 months they're up 69%? Well, it's not too long ago that Palantir had dipped down to 64.98, right? You could see this company has had steady growth in the past year, and over 5 years it is up 958%. If you guys don't know what is Palantir, well, let me go ahead and explain. Palantir Technologies is a data analytics and AI company that builds powerful software for organizations to help analyze large amounts of data. So this means government contracts, right? Helping businesses make smarter decisions. Palantir is all about that, guys. The day where you go ahead and make money from gumball machines is pretty much over, okay? So you got to go ahead and adapt to the new times, especially with all this AI software and technology. So Palantir is definitely going to be on one of my buy lists for long term. Definitely if it goes back to the $65 level, this is ideally where I would buy it. And also the CEO recently has had a plan to sell $1 billion worth of stock. And you might be wondering, is that bearish for the company? Well, I think it's not, because it'll help him raise more funds essentially. When you hold a stock for a long period of time and you finally see your company doing well in the stock market, right? Not just in person, in the stock market, getting a whole 1,000% gain, maybe it's time to take some profit, right? He ideally held it for 5 years, just wants to take some money off the table. And you know what? If it goes to $90, if it goes to $65, like the support earlier, it's a great time to buy it, right? So you got to go ahead and analyze every situation, guys. When in doubt, you got to zoom out. So I'm going to be looking to buy Palantir Technologies if it dips down to the $65 area again. Okay, we're getting this little euphoric rise all the way to 125. If this pulls back, definitely a stock to watch. Next up, we have Super Micro Computer Incorporated. And Super Micro is a company that builds powerful server and computing solutions for businesses, cloud providers, and AI companies. And they work with many of the favorite companies you guys love. And one thing about this stock is that they have been jumping off of not filing their paperwork, which is not typical, but hey, we take it. Gains are gains. So in the past month, ticker symbol SMCI has been up 83%. You guys remember on this channel how we got in the early 30s, guys. This was the time to go ahead and accumulate. I can't even scroll back because this one has provided 83% gains in the past month. But you could see from $33 all the way to $59 right now, and they are under so much shorting that they had to do a short squeeze on the month. So this one has been a fire stock, guys. If I see this going back to the 30s, I'm gonna be looking to add the dip and buy more of this long term. Next up, we have a company that provides infrastructure to AI companies, and that's gonna be ticker symbol NBIS. Nebius Group is currently sitting at $46.40. It's up 3% on the day, up 0.40% overnight, and you guys can see that this was at one point down to $39 on the week. Ticker symbol NBIS has had a momentum on the weekly chart. We could see it's up 15% in the past week. On the month, this one is up 27.68%. I'm going to be looking to grab this one again if it dips down to $40, because just look at that. Look at this recovery right here, okay? From $39 all the way to $46, that is a 23% gain, family. So watching this one very closely, it went ahead and IPO'd at $19. Ever since then, it's up 144%, but I'm definitely not going to go ahead and ignore this momentum. So if it goes down to the, let's say $39 area, I'm going to go ahead and add some. If it goes down to $30, I'm going to go ahead and add some. Guys, you can go ahead and place limit orders, so it will automatically buy the stock for you if it drops to a certain point, right? And given the fact that it was a huge red day and seeing this flip from deep red into green, that's something surprising and definitely something to look into. Next up, guys, we got Oscar Health, and it's a health insurance company. Ticker symbol OSCR currently sits at $16.20. It is up 0.47% today and is up 0.84% overnight. Now, why am I choosing this stock in particular? Well, they just turned profitable. If you guys didn't know, when a company has turned profitable, that is a bullish sign. That means they're starting to make money, okay? They're not burning the cash that they have raised or have made, right? So take a look at this. This one's up 2.92% the past month. We just had a major breakthrough down from this $12 level all the way to now $16. And on the 1 year chart, this one's down 7.64% in the past year, but that profitability will go ahead and boost them up, okay? That is a new chance to go up, soar higher into the 20s. So what is the plan with Oscar Health? Well, I'm going to be looking around this $14 area, okay? This $12 to $14 area to go ahead and load up on these dips, okay? So Oscar Health, definitely a top watch in 2025 long term. Next up, we have Archer Aviation, ticker symbol ACHR. And guys, I have some notes for this one, as well as I'm gonna attach an image on the screen pretty soon as I go ahead and talk about this. So Archer Aviation, ticker symbol ACHR, is an electric air taxi company developing eVTOL, that is electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft to revolutionize urban transportation. Their goal is to make short distance air travel fast, affordable, and sustainable, reducing traffic congestion in major cities. So some of you guys are going to be shocked with what I'm saying right here, right? It also shocks me that this new technology is being put into place. Like, who would have thought we're gonna have electric air taxi companies, right, in 2025? Well, that's why I'm making this video, right? I'm going ahead and identifying new opportunities for the long term. So this is what makes this video sweet, and I'm gonna go ahead and attach a picture of like what they are designing. Okay, I'm gonna attach it right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and say, guys, Archer Aviation is working to bring flying taxis to life. They're literally building electric aircraft that can take off and land vertically, kind of like a helicopter, but much quieter and fully electric. The idea is to replace long, traffic-filled car rides with quick, efficient flights over cities. Imagine just getting to the airport in 10 minutes instead of an hour with all that traffic on the road. That, you know, it would save time, right? It would save time. Guys, time is the most valuable asset, as you all know. With partnerships from major companies like United Airlines, Archer is pushing to make urban air travel a reality in the near future. So guys, take a look at this. Archer Aviation currently sits at $10.24 a share, up 0.75% today and 1% after hours. And guys, take a look at this. It's dipped down to $9.37 on this morning, okay? Just 1 hour after the market opened, but quickly recovered. So Once again, just like NBIS, ticker symbol ACHR, I'm gonna go ahead and watch this one very closely. On the week, it is up 6.44% the past week with highs of 1139. And on the month, this, as you can see, has been taken up and down tolls, but they do have earnings coming up. So be sure to watch this one. Guys, there is support at the $9 area as well as the $9.30 area. You could see that we bounced from here earlier. So take a look at ticker symbol ACHR. This one on the year is up 95% in the past year. So who knows what the future can hold with this, but with partners such as United Airlines, this looks promising. So I want you guys to take a look and put on your radar ticker symbol ACHR. So these are 5 stocks that I'm looking into long term. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button while you're at it. And guys, and to get my buy alerts, make sure you guys check out the first link in the description. Listen, hopefully you like this video. I know it's a bit of a different one, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.